Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this cute bow. I am using Scuba Techno from Fox & Tots Custom Fabric. As you can tell, the bow is very firm, but the material is actually very soft. So here I have my clip, my upholstery thread and needle, my glue gun, glue stick, and your scissors. So this center piece is 1 inch wide by 4 inches long. Our second piece is 3.5 by 4 inches, and our third piece is 4 by 4. So what I did was I folded mine in half and I made the crease, and then I just traced it with a Mark B Gone pen like this, just so that way I could keep track of my center. I did this for the bottom piece and then this piece right here. So I'm going to grab my needle and thread, and I'm just going to start right here and just work my way up. Pull my thread through. Wrap it around at least 2 times and then tie it off. Just like that. And then I'm going to cut my thread off because I'm going to need it for the top layer. So I'm just making another little knot in my thread. And then I'm going to repeat the same process for my second one. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my thread and my needle attached. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to add some glue to the base bow right here and then add it on just like that. So with your thread going down, add your bow. And then what you want to do is you want to wrap the thread around both of them. And I'm going to pull as tight as I can. I'm going to leave my thread and my needle. Turn it around, and then I'm going to grab my glue stick and glue gun, and I'm going to add glue alongside my clip. So just like this. And I'm going to make sure that my thread is down. I'm going to add it right in the center. Press it down. And then I'm going to let it cool for a second while I start the center strand. So I'm going to add glue along this edge right here. just like that, and then I'm going to fold over. And then I'm going to add glue on the second side. Like that, and then fold over. So now that I have let this cool, I'm going to wrap my thread around the bow and then in between my clip. And I'm going to do this around 2 or 3 times. This is going to help secure my clip to the bow. So that's 2 times. I'm going to just do it once more. And then I'm going to tie off in the front. You can tie off in the back if you want. So now that we have our clip attached to our bow, I'm going to add some glue to my strand. And just put it up there and hold it in place for a little bit. Let it cool. And then I'm going to open this up like this, hold these down. I'm going to add some glue right here on the strand. And then wrap it around. So then I'm going to add glue under my clip and then some right here. So that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to leave it right here under my clip just so that way the glue can cool down and attach to the fabric. While that's cooling, I'm just going to make any adjustments that I need to right here. You can pull as much as you want. If you hand sew them and use the upholstery thread, it's very durable, so it's not going to come apart. So once it's cooled down, all you do is cut that remaining strip off, open your clip, and make sure that the strand is not lifting. Like I have a little bit that's lifting right there, so I'll put a little bit of glue right there and then just hold it down. So if there's any part that's lifting, just add some more glue and hold it down. So if you want a bigger bow, this one measures, let's see, right at 4 inches. So if you want something bigger, just play with the sizes. If you want 5-inch bow, then cut it at 5. If you want 6-inch, then cut it at 6. There's no wrong or right way to do this. It's just based on preference. And as you can tell, the Scuba Techno holds like a really good shape. It's firm, but it's really soft. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you for watching.